That looks bad. Pero kung untatan ko, na-late ka sa ko.
Ay, kaluluoy! Kasi girl, wala bulig. Nagsimu ah.
Uy, Jax, ano tapusin mo? Siyempre, na-press mo yung uncle ko. Hindi buligan ka. Nakata sa nursing office. Thank you. Really? Okay lang sa'yo na ma-miss ko yung mga sis mo? Okay lang. Having a friend is important.
I'm so sorry. Okay, Mom. I'm nervous and nut because I was running late from my class. I'm so sorry.
Dito na gusto namin sa pang-game, pero tanin na po dito sa inyo tayo.
Okay lang. Si Ella lang tumulong sa akin. Parang yung story sa kumain.
That's right. There was a story that Jesus told us in the Bible where someone got hurt and many people refused to stop and help. But there was someone who unexpectedly stopped to help that person who got hurt. Today, Ella was that person. Ella was the one who chose to help Jasmine.
It's okay. I just did what I wrote to my team.
So that's kami din naman ng tao, mabulig na kapag kayo.
So guys, ano na natin sa mga adlaw?
That being kind is the right thing to do.
Siya na mismo nagbulig and that's nice.
And no matter how busy we are, we should lend a helping hand. That's right. We should always choose to be kind, just like the Good Samaritan.